Then I went one time to Yellowstone National Park, and I purposely went there to look at slime. And I talked to a number of park rangers to ask them where the best slime could be found. The, the communities, the biofilm communities in Yellowstone are very complex, they're very old, they're perhaps hundreds of years old, maybe thousands of years old, and there's a lot of evidence that bacteria within these communities are actually talking to one another. Now, it might sound crazy, and if I had said this actually when I first saw it, you would have insisted that I was crazy, but there's enough out in the literature now to prove that bacteria do in fact talk to one another via chemical communication. Well, in addition, I also noticed for the first time what looked like a dispersion phenomenon carried out by organisms from different species. And the only way that organisms from different species could break out of a biofilm is if they release enzymes to break down matrix polymers that they produce in unison. And the only way you could get multiple species carrying out an activity in unison is by communication. And so this was really the first inkling that there might be a dispersion response to disaggregate a biofilm, which is mediated by a communication molecule. And that's what we've been working on ever since.